and therefore happiness, whether it is your personal or your professional life. Through my videos, which are in the form of mini lessons, I will help you speak English with an impact. So welcome to this mini lesson. This is yet another lesson on commonly confused words. You can check out my previous lessons on my channel or on my Facebook page. So in English language, there are numerous words which are often confused with each other because they have similar pronunciations or similar spellings or both. So for this mini lesson, I have picked out 3 such words which are often confused with each other, generally while writing. Okay, so let's see what these words are. So sometimes I have seen people write angle when they actually mean angel. Now angle and angel are 2 different words. Angel is somebody believed to be a messenger from God. You can also refer to some person as your guardian angel. Whereas angle, A-N-G-L-E, is the space between 2 intersecting lines. That is angle. So be careful that you don't write angle when you actually mean angel. Another pair of words often confused with each other is L-O-O-S-E, loose, and L-O-S-E, loose. Now the first loose, the one with 2 O's, means something which is not firmly fixed or something which is not tight. So for example, loose clothes, or you might want to say loose connection. That is L-O-O-S-E, loose. Now L-O-S-E, loose means unable to find. Okay, so for example, I lose my wallet many times, or I lose my car keys several times. So that is L-O-S-E, loose, and there you cannot use L-O-O-S-E, loose, because that's a completely different word. Now let's go to the next pair of words. Before introducing the next pair of words, let me tell you a bit about myself. I have been a recruiter for a major part of my career, and I've screened over 10 to 15,000 CVs at least in my recruiting career. I have a separate video on how to write an effective CV. You will find that link in the description box. But a common mistake which I have come across several CVs is people writing career in place of career. Okay, that's a very grave mistake. Carrier is a person or a thing that carries, holds, or conveys something. So it can be a transport company which carries goods from one place to another, or it can be a vehicle which carries people from one place to another. It can be the stand on top of a car which we see, which holds your luggage, or it can also be a person who carries a virus. Okay, so that is a carrier. Career means your professional life or the job which you do for a major part of your professional life. That's career. So the word in your resume or your CV should be career and not carrier. So that's our mini lesson for the day. Don't get confused with these words. Use them rightly. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel and the page. Thank you.